If you're looking for ideas to transform an outdoor storage shed into a functional workshop, this video is for you. Hi there, I'm Melanie from Simple Made Pretty, where you'll find budget home decor ideas and Dollar Tree DIYs. In this video, I'm sharing a little tour of our storage shed turned into a mini workshop for woodworking, laser cutting, and home improvement projects. I was running out of space in my craft room and desperately needed a space for my laser cutting machines and all the laser cutting supplies, so I decluttered our shed and created a plan to make over the space. Our shed is pre-built from a local dealer. It is a 10 by 10 and it has an aluminum frame with an elevated ceiling. The first step to make over our shed was to declutter and remove everything from the inside. The next step for us was to update the floor. We had a standard plywood floor, and I found this vinyl sheet flooring from a local home improvement store. It was easy to install and cut to size at the store. Next up, we added cabinets and a workshop table. I used IKEA Besta cabinets in our shed, which turned out perfect. We had these cabinets in our office at one point in time, and I needed a place to put them, so I used them in the shed. We found our workshop table from Sam's Club. It is a high quality table with a beautiful wood finish top with adjustable metal legs. The next step in this makeover was to add pegboards or shelves to organize all of our tools. We installed a pegboard over top of the workshop table to organize the home improvement tools. Then we also added some wall panels where the cabinets weren't covering the walls. I chose a white faux brick on one side, and the other side I'm using a beadboard. Built a wood crate table using leftover wood crates from the shed clean out. I used wood glue to attach them together and glued a piece of scrap wood to the top to create this cute little bookshelf area table that is now storage for all of my laser cutting supplies. Okay, so I am starting at the front door so you can get a full tour of what it looks like in our workshop shed makeover. Here is what it looks like on an everyday basis. There's no staging in here. It's clean and organized. You can find exactly what you're looking for as soon as you walk through the door, which is essential when you have a business or you DIY projects often like we do. Now I'm just going to show you quickly what is inside of the cabinets. I organized all of these little small moving parts as best as possible with Dollar Tree storage bins. All of those little bins contain screws and nails and whatnot. Just quickly going through, I did use my Munbin label maker to label all of these Dollar Tree bins so that you can see exactly what's in them, because well, number one, they're clear bins, and two, they are labeled. And I do have a bin in here that's just my husband's tools, smaller tools that he doesn't use on a daily basis. But I love that I have my paint organized here. I have his and her tool bags on this shelf, all of our spray paint. Then I have some extra paint supplies up here that fit nicely on top of the Besta cabinets. I do have this wall of a random chargers that is not a pretty sight, but it is what it is for a workshop. And then the loft, I forgot to mention, my husband built this a few years ago, so we just use it as storage right now. And this corner over here with the faux brick wall, I did hang an artwork painted by my sister and some faux greenery. And over here is that storage unit that I shared, the quick DIY that I built. I love how the tissue box just fits nicely in that little cubby. Over here in this corner is where the beadboard wall is. And I have all of my xTool machines set up in this corner. The xTool F1 machine with the air purifier, my husband's table saw. We have a generator underneath of the workshop table, as well as a shop vac, a collapsible stool. Everything tucks nicely underneath of this functional workshop table. I also have my xTool M1 machine with an air purifier that sits on the workshop table. The shed is hardwired for electrical, so we do have lighting inside our shed. We also have another table saw. I tucked it underneath of the workshop table using furniture mover pads underneath of it so it doesn't scuff up the floor, and just showing you a few other miscellaneous tools and how I organize them in our shed. Well, that was it, guys. I hope you were inspired by our shed workshop makeover. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. That's it for now. Bye.